Hi everybody, I'm here with the doctor.
What up, Britches?
And I'm trying for this is number 3. I have painted the nails black and then tipped them with white, but this is a very hard design to paint. So I'm gonna try and show you. I'm using dazzledry's mattie to go over it real quick, and that seals the two together, and I just wanna go in as fast as possible. So here we go. Push 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Let that dry, and what that does is it just makes sure that one doesn't bleed into the other, because you're using such contrasting colors that you'll see that if you don't, you're going to streak the white into the black or the black into the white, and this just keeps them nice and separated together so that when we do the next step it's easier. So I have my brush and I have some black, gold, and white paint. I will keep spraying them with water to keep them wet. And clean my brushes out. I'm using the wand. nailart.com. The wand. And okay, with my brush up and down, I'm going to push, pull up, push, pull up, pull up, then go through, pull up and push, and then pull, and that makes a bow.
It's a bow.
Pretty. And I've done this a million times, but each time you do it in a different color it looks better, and because it's pre-Christmas, why not do like a real stark black and white design to start off the holiday, right?
Yes.
Perfect.
Paint a golden bow on my white nails.
With the tips that are so beautiful.
And Frenchy.
They match with everything. So here's this. Okay. And then this one, we can decorate this with anything that we want, like a wreath, whatever. I'm going to think about that and while we talk up amongst ourselves. But now that I'm focused and I have my thoughts about me.
Boy, that finger is ugly.
It is. It's swollen.
Well, it's because I worked on getting that ring off, because I could feel it was like swelling around it.
Whoa. Did you have to cut it?
No.
You got it off, huh?
I got it off under duress.
I should say you did. Like, I noticed that right when you sat down. I was like, oh, God, there's something going on there.
Yeah, I don't know why that finger swelled up overnight.
Aw. Well, it'll be better in 2 weeks, hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully. So, okay, so I'm going to finish this, and then I'm going to top coat again, get what I want to get on this ring finger situated while this is drying. Boop. Meet you back. Okay. Okay, so I got this. I'm going to use black and gold together and get myself a dark gold going. Then through the top, push, 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 push. These are going to go down into the design like that. Then when you do the other side, that side is drying. So we're going to push. Now on the two nails, the accent nails, as long as you keep it like thin and layered like this, one layer at a time, you can go back and forth and work on your two accent nails at the same time and have them dry. And then that way you don't have to worry as much about staying on time. So the next layer I'm going to do is a dark medium to dark gray. It's going to be medium and dark gray at the same time. So here we go. And push, push up, push up, push up, push up. Now these can look like Christmas flowers, or they can just look like flowers depending on who's looking at them. So to some people it's just going to look like a flower design, and it's going to just look like a really stark black and white design, and it'll be like, oh wow, your nails are pretty. Or it'll be like a Christmas design and they're, oh, those are elegant. And it all depends on how the person looks at them. So there's one, and then boom, two. This design is absolutely dry here. Well, there's a little piece it's not, but I'll start on the other side just to be careful. but it doesn't matter really. Then like that, push down to the middle, then push down to the side. Look, you have a little tiny blood blister on your cuticle here too, doctor.
Oh.
Yeah, you got a whole bunch of little things going on. Your hand situation.
Well, stress.
Got a blood. Well, okay, wait a minute. Before this is gonna make you laugh. Here's what I have: the remnants of my fall on my face. I fell on both my hands so hard.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I was walking, and I was trying to look at my my playlist, and I fell in the street and rolled, and then went up back into walking formation. And when I got back up in walking formation, I looked up, and there was a whole bunch of people in this truck, and they saw the whole thing, and they were laughing at me.
Wouldn't that be great if one of them was holding up a sign that said a 10?
Yes! Oh my gosh, you know what? I kind of believe I deserve.
I wish I would have been there. I'd been 10.
They should have got out of the truck and all stood and clapped.
Olympic medal.
Because they saw the funniest fall ever. I rolled and got back on my feet in less than 3 seconds. It was just like a boom, and then roll, and then I was like, I wonder if anybody's going to notice all these scabs I have all over my hands. And so far, all of you guys have been really kind, and you haven't asked, so thank you.
You're very welcome.
You're welcome. You're welcome for these beautiful flowers.
One of the worst falls I had is my leg turned black.
Oh, never mind. That was the worst fall ever. Yeah, you're talking to two real graceful chicks. You guys are watching.
My.
I swear, I've seen her fall backwards into a bush. That was elegant, though, I have to say.
I rolled like a disco ball.
You did that like with some grace. But that one that you took, boy, I see so many like weird stuff, and I have never seen a bruise that big, not even on television.
You were impressed with mine.
That was the biggest bruise ever, rolling off a log. Rolling backwards off a log at the beach. That was a night, huh, doctor?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, she was kind of sore, to be honest.
I was.
So there is the white.
Was nothing broken?
Nope, no, but I am so surprised that nothing was broken. That was crazy. So, okay, so now I have the glitter. So I have 2 different kinds of glitter. I have hollow gold glitter and regular gold glitter. Both from the craft store, nothing special or fancy named. And I'm going to pour them onto a tile with some textile medium. Meet you back. Okay, so I thought about this, and I thought there's a better way to do this. So I threw away all of the glitter and the textile medium. This is glitter and gel. So you can use top coat, but gel is going to work better because I'm going to show you why. I'm going to mix this color now into here and make it nice and thick. I'm going to be working right from the center where it's thickest, and if I need more, I will add from the outer corners until it's the right desired thickness. So the reason is because I want these to be matte. So I top coated them with Mattie again. So they're all mattified, and these are beautiful. So let me go in with the glitter now, with the gel glitter. They're not gonna dry up until I put them in the light. So anybody who uses gel will be like really happy about this, and people who use just top coat, I would say to make little tiny amounts, mix it with top coat, and work it piece by piece until it's all done, because it's the same exact thing. I'm just using a gel. It's not going to dry until I put it in a light. Put it in a light for about 30 seconds. But see, then I can get the cuticles perfect. I can get everything perfect. And add some bling on here that really shows up.
Because I'm all about that bling.
Yeah.
That bling.
Ah, okay, so there is that. And hold on, I'm gonna go in before I put it in the light and fix the cuticle, because I'm so OCD about that stuff. So I think that having a cuticle that's done well is better than nail art. So like if you guys are working on cuticle areas, don't put a lot of art there until you get that part perfected. And that's why the nails that you see loose that are just decorated, you don't know how many hours somebody has worked on that nail behind the scenes, and how much it takes to get those nails perfect, you know? So don't believe it until if you're having a problem. Just oh, that's so pretty. Just do your own pace and do your own thing until you get it perfect the way you want to. But I'm going to tell you, if you have problems with lifting, or if you have any problems with acrylic or gel or any of that, you get that stuff down, because people will come back to you for that alone. And then if you can offer nail art on top of that, that's even better. So there you go. And if you can do something like this off the cuff, and you can just do this as an accent nail, you get so many clients, and you can really keep them. So don't give up. You got this. So I'm going to finish topping all of this, and then I'm going to put her in the light, and I'll meet you back. Baby, bling on bling, no bling, baby. Oh my goodness, everybody, look at these. Are these not pretty?
They are so beautiful.
I would like for you to show them in the light like this. Look up. Do you see what you see? Do you see what I see?
I'm going like.
Do you need my glasses?
All right, I see.
Aren't they gorgeous?
They are beautiful.
Don't they look so holiday ready?
They are.
But yet they're not holiday exclusive.
Delicious.
Yes, they're holiday-licious, but they're not holiday exclusive.
With a twist.
With a twist, yeah. And they're matte, black and white with gold bows. They will be in the Elegant playlist and the Christmas playlist and the Winter playlist, because I think they're good crossover nails. I put
oil, like a good crossover.
We do. I like my nails like I like my car. Crossovers. Okay, so anyways, you guys, try this. Show me at Inspired by Robin Moses. Can you read that? Christy Lewis?
Inspired by Robin Moses. It's moving.
Oh, and I decided just to go ahead and name drop you. Everybody, this is Christy Lewis.
Hi, everybody. I'm a Christy.
So I don't call her the doctor, I call her Christy Lewis, and I was like, can I just call you Christy Lewis, because hello, that's what I call you. And she's like, yes. So everybody, this is Christy Lewis. So she is my heart, and I love her, and we spend time together, and we do things more than most, and I love her. So everybody meet her.
And the feeling is so mutual.
Yeah, you can add her on Facebook, add her everywhere, wherever you want, and go out with her and make you laugh, because she's perfect for it. Okay, you guys, so anyways, I've uploaded. If you want to see more like this, please leave a comment, or if you want something specific, I have written down some animals for Christmas, and I think I have a bear, and I think I have some plaid designs. So if you guys want to add to that something you haven't seen, please just tell me what you would like to see me paint. There we go. I got it out. Let me zoom in. And because these are done with gel, then you just put the bling on top. Oh, and these are Swarovski pixie dust on there, on top of the gold glitter. So I just added a few little.
So we're bling on bling.
Bling on bling. Bling on bling. More bling, baby.
Bling on bling.
More bling, baby. We are bling. Oh, they're so cute. Anyways, okay, you guys. I'll see you back with more.
Bye.